Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, Bluetooth. Come see the car for yourself.